Let's have a look at the individual parts present on the stem. What do we mean by this? We mean the leaves, flowers, and fruits. Let's begin with the leaves first. What exactly is a leaf, by the way? The leaf is this thin, flat structure that appears to be mostly green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Wait, have we come across this term chlorophyll before? What is its use in the plant body? Well, chlorophyll is a green-colored pigment that plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis. That is, the process by which green plants can make their own food. Let's take a closer look at the structure of a typical leaf. The flat and broad green-colored part of the leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. This part of the leaf is generally exposed to sunlight as it is majorly involved in photosynthesis. The leaf is attached to the stem by a short stalk called the petiole. If you take a closer look at the leaf, you will notice these thin lines on its surface. Can you guess what these are? Well, these are veins. Veins are small, thin pipelines that transport food and water to different parts of the leaf and plant. Do you think all leaves have the same type of veins? No, they don't. Veins have a specific pattern of arrangement that is termed as venation. So, what types of arrangements can be seen by us? One type of arrangement is when the veins make a network-like structure. This is called reticulate venation. Reticulate venation is seen in the leaves of several trees like banyan, mango, and jackfruit. The other type is when the veins run parallel to each other, just as in this case. What do we call this type then? We usually call this type parallel venation. Leaves of trees like banana, coconut, and paddy wheat, and even grass have parallel venation. Now getting back to the leaf structure, if we zoom in, we will be able to see tiny pores on the surface. Do you know what these are called? These are known as the stomata. Now, what could be the function of these minute pores? Stomata help in the gaseous exchange process. This means the carbon dioxide entering in the leaf and the oxygen, or even the water vapor leaving the leaf, all travel through the stomata. Do both the upper and lower surfaces have the same number of stomata? No, they don't. The number of stomata on the lower surface of the leaves is significantly greater than the number present on the upper surface. Now tell me, are these stomata only pores, or do they have a specific structure? Stomata are pores, but they are guarded by cells called guard cells. These guard cells regulate the opening and closing of the stomata.